EURUSD this week has started again to decline in price value, and we can see that the start of this week has started with this bearish strong candle that has broke this support here, and it has gone below this demand zone. In the previous week I have mentioned that the analysis is saying that there is a probability the price could retrace a little bit up and then continue to fall down, which has just happened. If we go to the community where I have shared my entry opinion, you can see that the entry I have put at 1.10620 and take profit at 1.10450. And if we take that look, the price has gone up to 1.10585, so the entry signal was not triggered, but the take profit was here at 1.050, which is almost precisely where the price has stopped. So after the price has gone down, the price has made a retrace, and we can see that the price has gone above the previous support that the price could not reach in the previous week, and we can see that the price has closed above and it has stopped just here at this price at 1.05825, which is currently a resistance. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see how the market looked. We can see that after the price has made a strong push to the downside, the price has reversed back up and formed a bullish pin bar right here at 1.05825. Then if we go to the monthly time frame, and this month has just started, we can see that the price has formed this bullish pin bar, but this month has just started, so we have 3 more weeks until this month ends. So what we can expect in this month after this strong retrace from this area here, the price, there is a probability that the price could reach again 1.066 area here and also 1.063 an area. So this is highly likely that after the price has made a breakout to the downside on the monthly time frame, we can see that the price has broken this support and also this one and also this one, but it has stopped around this one here and also around this one here. We can see it here. This is the area where the price has stopped in the previous month, but this month has just has made a strong week to the downside. There is probability that this bounce could continue to move up at 1.063 as a first area. So this is my idea about the monthly time frame. I am expecting that the price could reverse back up, and then I will see what's happening on the weekly and also daily time frame to see will the price continue to move up or it will continue to move down as it was in the last 2 months. Now let's go to the weekly and see how this looks. The price has formed this bullish pin bar, we can see it here, and there is a probability that the price could retrace back up, and that is around 1.063 price level, which is the first resistance. You can see it here on this candle. So if we take a look on the monthly, this was also the first one, and above that where the price could stop is this one area here, which is around 1.068, and I have mentioned 1.066 on the monthly time frame. So this is the area as the next one for the bulls that needs to break above to see the price on higher price levels. But if the price continues back down and the weekly closes below this one, 1.0544, next week we will see the price going down even more, which is around this area here, 1.048 on the weekly time frame. So it's very important to see how the daily time frame ends, because on the weekly I'm seeing the price will continue to move up. So this is also an idea how the market looks. Now let's see on the daily time frame how this looks. The price has gone out above this resistance area, and currently it is around this supply zone. We can see downtrend channel resistance line, and now there is a probability that the price will continue to move up, which is the first level of this supply zone around 1.064, and that is 1.063. You can see that this price level, it is showing on the monthly, weekly and also daily time frame that there is a probability that the price will reach this area. The next one where the price could reach is this one above here on the daily time frame, which needs to be broken, and that is 1.068. So the daily time frame looks like this. I am expecting probably the price will continue to move up around this area, and then we'll see will the price bounce back down or it will continue to move up and make a breakout. This will be very important levels for the bulls. Will they continue to push the price higher like last 3 days, or the price will bounce and retrace back down. So the critical level for the daily time frame is this one here, 1.049. We can round it around 1.05, a price level that needs to be broken to the downside to continue to see the price moving even more down. So these are the critical levels, and I'm sharing inside the trading community also my entry ideas for the next week. Like before, you can see it here, it looks like this. Now let's go to the GBPUSD to see how this one looks. The price has started in the previous week, has ended as a bearish pin bar, and we can see that the price has started with this bearish candle. I have mentioned inside my trading community also my entry ideas, where I have suggested that the price could make a retrace back up and then continue to fall down. Now if I go here inside the trading community, you can see that I'm expecting the price will fall down even more. The end of the fall is 1.1910, and my entry was at 1.22 price level. Now let's see how this looks. The area the week has started around this one, and the price has reached 1.2218. Just a minute, I need to increase this one a little bit so we can see much more clear. Okay, this one. We can see that the price has reached this one, 1.2217, which means the entry was triggered and the stop loss was at around 1.2280. 1.2280 was not activated, and we can see where the take profit was. Take profit is at 1.2050, and we can see it here that the price has reach at this area right here. So this entry idea inside the trading community was successful. So after that, the price has made this bullish engulfing right here at this support, which is a great signal for the price, and then the price started to move up, and we can see the price has reversed. The price did not reach 1.1910, which is just here below that and the next support, but the price has reach this target profit for this week. So we can see that the price has made a breakout here this week above this resistance, and it is above 1.22 resistance area. Now let's go to the weekly and see how this looks. We can see that this area here, after the price has made a bearish here candle, this week the price has formed a bullish pin bar, which is a great signal, at least for me, what I'm seeing currently on the chart. So if we go to the monthly, the previous month has ended and this new month has started, and we can see here what is visible. We can see that the price is forming right now a bullish candle, but what I have said in the previous analysis, there is a high probability that the price will reach this area here, which was very important for the price level, and this says what has happened this week. The price has bounced from this one and currently is heading up. So what we can expect in the following week and also following month, because we have 3 more weeks, I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise and it will reach around 1.23 price level. We can see it here, which is a very important resistance and supply zone for the price. Now to get on the bearish side, the price needs to return back down below 1.2 price level in order to continue to fall down even more. But for now, as it looks, we need to see a look more on the weekly and also daily time frame. But for now, as it looks right now, I'm expecting after this strong bearish fall down, I'm expecting that the price could return back up, and this is the first level where the price will go. And if the price makes a breakout to the upside, which will be much more visible and very important on the weekly and also daily time frame, there is next level where the price could go, and that is 1.24. So in order to define where the market will move for the rest of the month, we need to check weekly and also daily time frame. For now, as it looks for me on the weekly time frame, I'm seeing a bullish pin bar, which is a great signal, and there is a probability that the price will continue to rise up to 1.227 and also 1.232 price level, which is an area where the resistance currently is and supply on the weekly time frame. If the price will continue to move down, this is very important level for the price, 1.216 on the weekly time frame and also 1.21. If the price goes down below this one on the weekly time frame, we'll see the price continue even more down. So these are very critical levels for the weekly time frame, but for now I'm expecting the price will continue to move up. And in order to see where are the important levels, we need to go to the daily time frame and see how this market looks. We can see that very important level on the bullish side has been reached and the price has gone above. We can see that the price has formed these three candles, very strong bullish candles, and the price has gone above. The next one where the price could stop is this one, 1.228 price level, which is a start of this supply zone, and we can see this is a confluence of resistance where the price will find hard time to reach higher price levels. And then the very important level for the price that the price needs to break is 1.233 price level, which I have just mentioned on the monthly and also weekly time frames. Very important levels for the bulls to be broken to the upside in order to see price climbing up. On the below side, on the daily time frame, it's very important that the price stays above 1.21 price level and also 1.20 price level. If the price continues to fall down and the price closes below 1.21 price level on the daily time frame, we will see price moving even more down, reaching this area here at the bottom of this demand zone around 1.20 price level. So these are very important levels, and for the next week I am sharing also my trading ideas with the entry, stop loss and take profit. If you would like to check it, join here inside the trading community and you will see also my trading ideas, what I'm expecting with clear entry, stop loss, take profit levels. Now let's go and see what do we have with the gold. Let's see how this happened. We can see that this week has started and continued with the bullish candle. It is here. The price tried to reverse back up a little bit, but it was not successful reverse, but the price continued to move down, what I have just mentioned in the trading community. If you check my trading community, you will also see what were my ideas. Here is my opinion. I have expected the price will go to 1858. The price could not return back up so strongly. It has returned back up a little bit, and then the take profit was around 1833, which was here, and it has been reached. So this was the idea that the price will continue to move up and to move down, and the price reached the take profit, and also the price has reached this area where the demand zone is. We can see that the price has formed a few indecision candles this week, and on the Friday price has formed this bullish engulfing bar that is engulfing these three candles, which means a very strong signal as a bounce from this support, and also it is confluence of support. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. We can see that the price has gone down through several of these support levels on the weekly time frame, and it has stopped just right here where the confluence of support is. We can see in the past this support level has acted very good for the price to bounce back up. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see what has happened. On the monthly time frame, this is also a very strong support level where the price has bounced, and we can see that new month has started, and what I have mentioned in the previous analysis, it was expected the price will reach this area here. Now what we can expect, and I'm expecting that the price will bounce a little bit more from this area here, because when the prices reach this area here, the price is bounced at least to here, and also we can see it here. So I'm expecting that the price will bounce, and then we will see what's happening around this area. Will the price bounce back down and continue to move as a bearish, or it will be a reversal, which means the price will return back up and continue to move up. But that is very important to see on the weekly and also daily time frames. Now let's go to the weekly. What are the critical levels? For me, what the critical level on the weekly time frame is this one here, especially this one here first, and that is 1841. That needs to be broken to the upside on the weekly time frame to continue to see the price moving up even more, and this is a very important levels here around 1870. So I'm expecting that the price will continue back up, and this is very important levels for the price on the weekly to close above to continue to be bullish. If the price goes down and reaches this area, this is a very important level for the monthly and also weekly time frame. So it will be very important for the price to break below this one in order to continue to fall down, where the next stop is around this 1729. So To continue, let's go on the daily to see which are very important levels for the price. So for the price is very important on the daily time frame. First this one, which has been broken to the upside. You can see that I already have entered into buy order with the stop loss just below this one and the take profit here. So I'm expecting the price will go up, and the first stop where the price could reach is 1848, and I have set take profit below this start of this supply zone. So this is the first one level for the daily time frame that needs to be reached, and then continue to move up to here to be broken to the upside. If the price goes above this one, the price will continue and will try to reach this one area here, 1880, and also the first one is 1875. If the price goes below this one, it will be very important level that has been broken to the downside, and then the price could reach lower levels where is 1775. So these are very important levels that needs to be broken, but for now, as I look, these are the steps where the price will bounce, at least for me, what I'm looking currently on the market. For the entry ideas and also for the stop loss and also take profit, you can also visit my trading community where I'm sharing my trading ideas. You can see it here as the last week. Now let's go to the next one, and that is US30 to see how the market looks. Let's do this like this, okay, and crosshair. Now let's see. After the market has formed this bearish engulfing bar in the previous week, the price has made a reverse from here to here, reached at 33709, and then continued to fall down, and it has stopped here at this support area. From there the price has bounced, and we can see that this week has ended like this, almost at the open price. Now let's go to the trading community and see what I have suggested. The price has dropped and then bounced, and I'm expecting to see price moving down next week. The bounce could happen from 330, which is a great support. 3300 is this one here, and we can see that the price has bounced just right here. And then if we go to see, the entry was 3360. 3360, this was the entry. The price has triggered this entry, and then stop loss 3390 was not reached, and the take profit 33165, and this take profit has been reached. So inside the trading community, my trading idea was successful, and we can see that the price has reached and then bounced everything that was expected. And then we go to the weekly to see how this looks. And we can see after this breakout to the downside, the fall was continued, and we can see that the price has reached this support and bouncing from here. If you check my previous weekly analysis, you can see that I have mentioned that there is probability that the price will bounce from here, which I have mentioned in the trading community, and then this is what has happened. What we can see here, a bearish candle that has closed here did not close below that, which means a strong bullish pressure that has been around this area. Now if we check on the monthly time frame, see the previous month has ended as a bearish one. We can see in between this support and resistance, and it has continued to move down this month, where we can see that the price is bouncing. So what we can expect from this one is that the price will have a hard time to break below this support, because we can see it is a confluence of support and a very strong demand zone. You can see it in the past, the price could not go down below this one. What we can see on the upper side is this one here, 3-4 price level, very important level on the monthly time frame. So I'm expecting that the price will continue this bounce and probably reaching this one, and I will see what happens from there. But as it looks right now, the monthly time frame will have hard time to break below, and it will be very important to see on the weekly and also daily time frame how this looks, because on this great support with this bounce, it's not so easy to predict where the price will go, because everything can happen. The price could go down again, or the price could go up around this one. So let's go to the weekly and see how this looks. On the weekly time frame, very important level for the bulls is this one, 3370, and below that we have this one here, which is 33257. So very important levels that needs to be broken below, but for now, as it looks, the price has made a reverse back up, As it looks for me right now, after the price has made a retrace, I'm expecting that the price will continue to fall down, because what I can see here is that the price has reached, after the breakout has happened below this one, the price made a retest and then continued to fall down, which is a very important. So to see, I'm expecting there is a probability that the price will continue to fall down and reaching around this area here, around 3330, and also this one, which is 331. So we will see what's happening. If the price goes above this area here, which is also a very important level, it will continue to move up around this one area, which is here, around this area here, which is 30. Now let's go to the daily time frame and see what are the critical levels. Let's do this like this. Very critical level for the price is this one, 337. If the price goes above, we said that there is a very critical level, it is 34, and that is the first also very important resistance level. It's very close to this one supply zone where the sellers are waiting. So in order for the price to continue to move up, we need to see where the price will close. Will the price continue to fall down, or it will make a breakout to the upside? If the price goes down, very critical level is this one here, which is 330 price level on the daily time frame, very critical level for the bulls and also for the sellers. If the sellers push the price down, this will mean that the buyers have lost their strength around this area. There's a probability that the price will reach this confluence of support next to this one support. If the price goes above, then we will see will the price manage to go above and reach this area 3.4, or it will stay here inside a range area. But for now, I'm currently waiting how the Monday will start, because after the Monday ends, we will see how the market prepares for the rest of the week. I'm sharing also my trading ideas inside the trading community like the previous weeks, so you will get also the entry level, stop loss, and the take profit. Now let's see how the Nasdaq looks. This week the Nasdaq has been chopping, going up and down, and we can see that this week has started with this candle where the price has started here and then moved up close to this one resistance level and then fall down on Tuesday. But this fall down was up to here, 14480, 489, and then continued next day even more and then reverse it back up. This means that this area here, which is support, is very important on the daily time frame, which could not be broken below. Then the price has been bouncing around this area, and on a Friday the price has managed to find enough strength to break above this resistance and close above this resistance at 149. Now the price is above 14986. Now let's see, inside the trading community I have also shared my trading ideas, and we can see that this bounce from the support 1465, and now it's inside an area where the price needs to make a way out. Weekly time frame shows bullish pin bar and the daily shows bearish pin bar. I'm waiting outside until see the price move out from this area where it currently is. So I was expecting that when the price will make a breakout, and this has happened this week. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. This indecision candle has been formed here, and the price has been going down and up, and now we can see that the price has reversed back up on the weekly time frame, bouncing from this support area here. Now let's go to the monthly and see the previous month hasn't as a bearish one. We can see that the price stopped at this one here and could not reach below that, which is a great signal for this month where the price has reversed back up. Now there are very critical levels for the monthly that needs to be broken. On the upside, the price needs to go about 15166 to be closed on the monthly time frame in order to see the price reaching higher price levels, and that is one here, 15580. If the price goes down on the monthly time frame, this one is very critical, 1472, which is a very important level for the price. If the price goes down on the monthly time frame, this is the next one where the price will stop, is 14243. So I'm expecting that the price will make a retrace from this around this one, 15166, which is a very important level, and then we'll see what happens. On the weekly time frame, our target levels is this one here, 15119, very close to the one I have mentioned on the monthly time frame, and this is the one very critical also. This is the area for the price on the weekly time frame that is very important. If the price goes above and closes, this will mean that the price will continue to move up and reach 1544 price level. But on the downside, very important level is this one, 1469, very important in order to continue for the price to move down. So I'm expecting that the price will go up a little bit more around 155, and then we'll see what happens. But daily time frame shows us a little bit more clearer information about these levels. Now the price has made a breakout to the upside. If the price manages to go above this area here, 150, the next one where the price will stop is 15179, which I mentioned on the weekly and also monthly time frame. Very important level for the price in order to continue to move up. So if the price goes above this one area here, we will see price reaching this one, very critical. If the price goes down, so remember that this is a bullish breakout, it needs to be confirmed on the next candle, daily candle. If the price reverses back up and closes below this one area here, 1477, this will be a false bullish breakout to the upside. So we need to see on the daily, on the Monday, how the market will react and also how the candle will close. I will share also my trading idea inside the trading community for the next week, where the stop loss, entry and also take profit is. Now let's move to the US dollar index to see how the market has reacted. We can see that the market started this week with a little bit retrace back down up to 105.97, and then continuing to move up and reaching to the top 107.26, and then reverses back down. I have shared my trading idea inside the trading community. You can see that the entry was around 106.00. The price has reached this one area here, 1066. You can see it here, and then stop loss was not reached, but the take profit was 106.92, which is here. So the trading idea for this week was successful. If you have traded, you would end up with a profit, and then the price returned back down. If we go to the weekly, we can see how this looks. It looks like a bearish pin bar, right? Bounced from this great resistance, and it has stopped almost at the same price as the week has started. Now let's go to the monthly and see this month has just started, and we can see after this strong bullish breakout to the upside, the price has tried to reach higher price levels, but then it has bounced back down and reversed. So we'll see what happens. So after this month has made a bullish breakout, we need to see confirmation of this breakout, and that means there is probability that the price will continue to fall down even more to continue this bullish breakout in order to continue to move up. In order to see where the price will go in the following weeks and also this month, we need to see a weekly and also daily time frame. But for now, as it looks for me, there is a probability that the price will go down at 105.52, and lowest is 104, which is 105 price level. We need to see, will the price stays above in order to continue to move up, just to confirming this bullish breakout. There is also probability that the price will reach this one here, which is a very strong support, 140.26. What we'll see on the weekly and also daily time frame how this looks, because we have 3 more weeks until this month ends. Very critical level for the price is, in order to be a bullish, is to stay above these price levels. The first one is here, the next one is here. If the price breaks below that, goes inside this range, then there is probability that the price will fall down even more to this one and then to this one. But let's see on the weekly how this looks. After this price has made a bearish pin bar on the weekly time frame, very critical levels for the price is this one here, 105.64. we can set here 105.50. very important on the weekly to stay above. If the price goes below that, the price could stop around this one, 105.14, very close to 105, very important support level. On the upper side, if the price continues to move up, very important level for the price is this one here, and that is an area from 106.52 up to 106.37. So this is very important level on the weekly time frame in order to continue to move up. But very important level is this one, 106.92, in order to continue to be bullish still. So I'm expecting that the price could make fall down even more and then reverses back up, but we will see that how this looks on the daily time frame, which are very important levels. Now we can see that the price has bounced and the price is closed below this one here, very important support level. So this daily candle has gone down, so I'm expecting there is probability that the price will reverse back up on the daily and then continue to fall down to the first level, which is 105.80. You can see the price has dropped this week here, but could not go even more. This is very important on the daily. If the price breaks below this one, first one where the stop is 105.53, daily demand zone and also confluence of support. This will be a very critical level. On the upper side, if the price continues to go up, this is very important level. First one on the daily, if the price closes the daily candle above this one, the next one where the price could stop is 106.65, very important levels. So these are the levels for the next week that needs to be watched. Very critical levels that needs to be broken to the upside or to the downside to see where the price could go. I will share my trading ideas about the entry, stop loss, take profit inside trading community. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.